So we're here at the park getting my fly fishing stuff. And just in case, I brought a regular combo. Because I don't want to come all the way out here and not catch anything if I can't fly fish because it is super windy. The water at this park is pretty clear. There's usually some bluegill and some small bass up in this area right all along this bank and even back into that little creek a little. So you got the olive green crystal bugger on, I think is what it's called. Pretty sure it's called a crystal bugger. Did not get hardly anywhere. Alright, so we tied on a white crystal bugger. Let's see if we can find any hungry ones out here. This one is sinking quicker, so it'll get down deeper sooner. And it has a high contrast with the water, so maybe some fish will be able to notice it a little better. I'm getting the hang of this, I think. I just put it like almost exactly where I wanted it. Oh, I got a fish. No way. Stay on, please. No, did he come off? Oh, I still got him. Oh my goodness. No way, boys. We got a bass. Oh, I did not even feel a bite. That was insane. That is awesome. I had a feeling we could catch one. I'm gonna try to get a picture. People put the fly rod in their mouth. He was on good too. Cool beans. That is actually crazy. I did not even feel the bite. Just got slurped. There he goes. Obviously it was just a color change. The only bad thing was I need to learn how to get my line out and ready. Pretty decent cast. Had a tree behind us, so we had to kind of try to work with that, but it worked out. Oh, my bass just missed it. I hope the GoPro got that. He came right up for it. Come on, come back. He's about the same size as the one that we caught earlier, but I will take any size, dude. As long as they want to eat. Buddy, I got him. I got another one. No, he just popped off. Oh my. Dang it, dude. Got one. That's a good one. That's a good fish. Sheesh. That is a good fish. No. 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 That was a good fish. We're out here again fly fishing. Again, it's super windy, so hopefully the audio isn't terrible because I don't have an actual mic. But it shouldn't be windy for super long. I think it's supposed to calm down later. Today it's supposed to get up to almost 80. And I figured, since it's pretty sunny, maybe there will be some fish up shallow. I hope. And we'll fish here for a while, and if we don't catch anything here after like an hour or two, we'll go try another spot because we have a lot of time today. I think I already see a small bass actually. This would be really cool if I could sight fish it, if that's a bass. Might not even be a bass. It's definitely moving, I think, so I think it is a bass. There he is. Got him. First cast. I really set the hook on him too. Oh, come on. That's a good fish. Tighten my drag a little bit. It's a good fish. That was first cast. Don't come off, please. In the net. Let's go. That was awesome. This is not a bad fish either. Wow. Wow. First cast on the fly. Oh my goodness. Crazy. That is not a bad fish for fly fishing. We actually set the hook really good. We fought him well. I was so scared he was gonna come off. And I got to watch him eat it too. I kind of want to fish on this side and get to the cove, but I also know that I'll get bit probably on this side. So I'm kind of torn. You know what I'll do? I think I'll fish back to my net so I can get my net, and then we'll go on that side. That actually worked pretty well. Oh, I got one. I got one. Come on, stay on, stay on, stay on, stay on. We still got him? We still got him. Let's go. From a left to right cast, too. That's cool. Nice. Kind of saw my fly disappear, but I didn't think I had one. And I guess I did. Sweet. Well, I guess it's a good thing we came and fished to my net. Probably a 6, 7, maybe 8 incher. Pretty little guy. Alright, let's let him go. See ya, pal. There he goes. Well, somehow my GoPro was not on, I guess, for like a very long time. We started fishing way down there. We got all the way over here. Had a couple bites along the way, or at least we think they're bites. They could just have been a snag. And now we're almost to the cove. We'll try to catch one more out of the cove, and if we can't, we're gonna try to go to one final spot. See if we can catch a fish there. Thankfully, I just happened to look down to see how long I've been recording, and I noticed it was not on. It wasn't the battery. I just forgot to turn it on, I guess. A good feeling we can catch one more in this general area over here. Oh, I just had one swipe at it. I wonder if the GoPro got that. Really, right after I said that. He was deep. There he is. Watched him eat it. Watched him eat it. Not a bad one either. He really got it. He's still hooked. We'll clean him off a little. Nice. I don't know if this was the same one. The other one looked a little smaller. This one's probably a 10 incher, maybe. Cool beans. 3 fish on the fly today. Had him swipe at it, and then got this one. So I need to let it sink a little longer because I noticed that he came out from like deep. And he really had it. It was deep in his mouth too. But I noticed he got it from out deep. So I was letting my fly sink a little bit. And then he picked it up, saw it disappear. Nice. Didn't feel the bite again, but noticed that I couldn't see my fly anymore. Alright, so we're coming to our last place. I'll probably fish here until my GoPro runs out of storage footage or out of battery. So we probably got an hour to fish here. And a good feeling we can catch some fish. We might even catch a new species. Well, not a new species, but a new species for today. Because there's some really big bluegill here. And they possibly could try to eat the fly. And if we don't catch any bluegill, we still have a really good chance to catch a bass, I think. And yeah. Alright, now we're kicking. And this water is about 3 times clearer than when we were fishing. You can basically see the bottom. I can still see my fly, and it's probably a good 3 foot down. They actually did pretty decent right there. Got him. Got one. Get over there. Multi-species trip. There we go. Told y'all we might could grab ourselves a bluegill. And it happened. Haven't ever caught a bluegill on a fly. That's a big one right there. There we go. Finally got one of them. This guy is a bluegill. His gills are really blue. Throw him in over there so it doesn't scare them. And then I can really just pop it right back out there and keep going. They're just sitting here. Oh, he was furious. He really wanted it. Oh, that's a good one. Wow. That's a nice one. That's one of the really big ones that I saw. Alright. I'm satisfied with this bluegill. That's a pretty big one, honestly. See ya. Yeah. Oh, wow. That is a really big one.